When applying for a job, do you know what to say on your application letter? Do you know what they need to hear? Do you know what you must write? Do you know what they want to see? Okay, in today's video, I will be helping you or giving you a guide on how you can do your job application letter when applying for a certain job. I'll be just showing you how you can do it, but please don't ask me if you can copy this. Don't ask me if you can use this. This is just an example, but you can put your own words, put your own qualifications, put your own whatever, put what you think you have or what you know that you have. So, without wasting your time, let's get into it. Welcome to Elevate Your Career with Confidence. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting down below. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you or trying to show you how you can write an application letter. Easy one, simple. Just put it in your own words, right? Yes. Let's get into it. Excuse my voice, but you're going to first start with the date on the day that you'll be doing the application and the subject, which is the job application. For an example, let's say you're applying at Mr. Price to be a cashier, and then you're going to write Mr. Price cashier, whatever the advertisement or the headline of the post is, and then you're going to put your name, your full name. If you have 3 names, put all those 3 names and surname. Then you're going to follow with your address. After that, you're going to put on your cell phone number. Make sure your cell phone number is correct. If need be, put on 2 cell phone numbers so that if they don't get you on the first cell phone number, they can get you on the second cell phone number. And then after, you're going to put your email. Also make sure your email is correct, because when they send you feedback, they do send via email. So if it's wrong, you might not get your feedback. And then put on the company name. Sometimes they don't really put the full address of the company. They just say the job is in Midrand. Just put what you see on the post, because obviously for their own safety, I guess. Yeah, just say Midrand, whatever address is written on the post, you can put that. And then also name of the company. If the company is Mr. Price, then you must put Mr. Price. And then you start by saying, dear hiring manager or dear manager, whatever works for you, you just put that. I am currently looking for a job at Mr. Price that was recently advertised, and I am interested in applying for that position, and I am confident that my skills and experience will be of great use into your company, and it'll, say all those information that will impress the person who will be reading your letter. The HR must be able to highlight the most important things that will be said in your letter. So please mention your skills, mention your experiences, mention your studies. If you have degrees, diplomas, mention them, so that it impresses whoever will be reading, and it grabs their attention that you might or you may have the skills that they need for whatever posts that they were advertising, and tell them how willing you are to do extra work just to show how much you want the job. After doing that, this is where you start the explaining why you are a good fit for the job, and for your motivation, what is motivating you to apply for that specific job. And also express your desire, man. The call to action. Express your desire to discuss the position further, such as by following up with a phone call, email, and all that. In closing, always make sure that you thank the reader for their time and consideration and for the opportunity to talk about you and your qualification and your skills and all those things. And always make sure that they give you feedback for further, even if you don't get the opportunity, but just to correct your mistakes and just to see where you went wrong. But anyway, this is how you're going to write it. Here is an example on the screen, and just put it in your own words. And always make sure that when you end your job application letter, you always make sure that you end it with your full names. When I say full names, if you have 5 names, write all 5 names. And always make sure that you attach your CV and all your qualifications along with a copy of your ID. Make sure that all those things are available to you. And you end it with sincerely, your name and your signature, and that's it. And that is all, where you ended with your name and your signature if you want to, the date if you want to, whatever, how way you want to end it. That is how your application letter should be when you are trying to apply for a job at a company. Always mention the company's name. Always try to make sure you put all the information in your details so that when they try to reach you, they can access you easily. Anyway, so I hope also this information was very good for you. I gave you much knowledge, and thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, and for commenting. I love doing this, guys, for you. I am doing it for free. I'm not getting paid, by the way, because you guys are not watching my videos. So I still need how many watch hours? Like a whole 4K, 4,000 watch hours, and I still need 1,000 subscribers for me to get paid, and I'm only sitting on 300. Anyway, I am not complaining. I always say in God's time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for being here. For those of you who are subscribers and like being here, thank you. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. I love you so much, and I appreciate you guys, specifically you guys. Please don't forget to go check my main channel here, and I'll be posting everything about my life in that channel. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.